Our highest priority is the health and safety of SPS students, staff, and visitors. SPS students and staff will be required to do a daily health screening for symptoms related to COVID-19. Our Health Check app is available to walk you through required health screening questions. Enter your student ID number and click or tap Add Student. Answer each question, fill in your name, and submit. Anyone who reports being ill or having a temperature over 100.4 degrees will be asked to stay home. Students who don't complete the daily health screening prior to the start of school will be required to report to the office for screening and a temperature check. If a student becomes ill at school, they'll be taken to a designated supervised location and family will be notified for immediate pickup. As students arrive at school each day, their student ID will be scanned to verify the health check has been completed. Students can also use their student ID number to access the health check verification page on their own device, then show staff they've passed the screening. Everyone in SPS facilities and on school buses will be required to complete a health check and wear a face covering prior to entering a district facility. Disposable face masks will be provided for students who do not have one when they arrive to board the bus or enter the building. Sanitizing stations will be available throughout each school for use by visitors and staff. School staff will supervise student use. Desks will be cleaned and disinfected between student uses, and high-touch areas will also be cleaned and disinfected frequently. Staff and students will be encouraged to wash their hands frequently throughout the day, including as they enter and exit the building, after using the restroom, and before and after lunch. Students will maintain social distancing while eating in classrooms, hallways, and in the cafeteria, or a combination of all three. Lockers will not be used, and materials will instead be carried by students to and from class. Students will be asked to maintain social distancing and not gather in groups while in hallways and while entering and exiting the building. Floor signage markers will be placed in areas where students, staff, and visitors may need to wait in line. This includes the office, school entry, lunch line, bus line, restrooms, and exterior doors from outdoor activities. Visit our website to learn more about our reopening plan, which was developed with guidance from local, state, and national health officials.